so go here and type in Amy Alcini. Okay, so I'm looking at the mobile, and where do we go?
Okay, so the homepage as it is like right now, if you have it in a portrait view, looks fine because it has the full picture just sized in, and it has Amy Alcini Luxury Estates and the menu on top of it. If it's possible, it's like if you turn it landscape, though, it's like everything doesn't size accordingly. And so that would be one wish, that it looks good either landscape, that it transforms. If you, like right now I have it on portrait and it looks fine, but then when I turn it the other direction, I only have like the sky of the picture, and I do have the menu there, but that would be my desire, is to have it sized down to where it looks, at least the picture is in the view and the menu and the Amy Alcini somehow. So that's just one. And I understand, I'm just giving you my wish list.
Sure.
And I'm hoping that they'll, that it won't be like a huge deal. If it is, then let's talk about it and see if there's, another strategy. But anyways, okay. So then when you go to, I'm going through the whole site now. So if you go to listings and you go to my listings, then what is happening is, hold on, I just get the, what just happened there was that I went to, it automatically defaulted to the IDX mobile view and their mobile setup. The mobile setup that you had been working on is when it comes up, you have results per page 10, and then you have 7 results returned, and then the save search, the new search, the modify search is all overlapping each other.
Gotcha.
And then as I scroll down, the price and the bed and bath are on top of each other, text-wise. So my desire would be to get that corrected so that it renders properly.
Okay.
Then as I go to videos, if I go to videos, I have the same thing is happening when you first start, that the whole picture, just a portion of the video is showing. My desire would be that it would look like the home page looks like, where the whole small little video is there so that you can start the video. Once you start the video seems to render fine. But it's just that initial presentation. It's like you have to scroll around to find the start button for the video. And I'd like that to be not like that, where you have to kind of search around to find, the functionality on that page.
Okay.
And I would like for, whoever's looking at this to go through each page and make sure that of the videos, and that it's behaving the same way on all those pages. And in the future, I don't want to have to be the squeaky wheel all the time to say like, oh, it's still not working. I would like for when I create a new page for those same parameters to automatically happen in this mobile view. So then going back to the contact page, I think, is the next one. And the contact page looks fine, except for the phone number is grayed out. Should be white, just like the rest of the text. And the same thing is happening on every page on the footer where we have Sotheby's International Realty. The phone number is gray when it should just be the same as the rest of the type.
Okay.
And then I'm just looking. I think that's mostly it. I mean, everything else seems to be fine. You know, the profile page looks fine on the mobile, and the blog is resizing. Looks like, you know, properly. I think that the blog software just kind of automatically. Wait, let's see what this is. It's not showing up here. So, you know what, that's something that I probably need to just work with you on, Glenn, is just what is the best way to get like an RSS feed and a widget or something in there. She wants to be able to put some information from Facebook from time to time in these posts. And I just, you know, haven't had the time to kind of figure it out. I was hoping maybe to visit with you about it and see what your suggestions are for, you know, the easiest way to get just data in that isn't our creation. And whether it's a widget or whether it's just creating an RSS feed that or a plugin, you know, that I can just bring in stuff with a short code or something. I kind of wanted, you know, you to weigh in on that, but we don't have to worry about that right now.
Yeah.
I just want to get the rest of the site kind of done.
So right now, this is enough that I can send to them, and this will make it to where if they get all this stuff done, then we're good with Amy Alcini as far as that's concerned. Not
Yeah, then I can close it out. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, hold on.